Okay, so let's finish off the revised budget. So we've done our planned income, the revised planned income up here, which is A. We've done our revised planned expenditure, which is B. So by adding up all our subtotals. And now to get your net cash, you take your A away from your B. So we're going to take our total income up here, and we're going to take it away from our total expenditure, which is here. So our total income for July is 5,860. And from that, then we're going to take away our total expenditure for July, which is 5,600. And that gives us 260. We're going to do for the next month then. So for August, our planned income is 5,860. Take away our planned expenditure, which is 6,840. So you got a minus. And then for our September then, planned expenditure, 5,860. Minus our planned expenditure for September, which is 7,070. And then we do the same then for our total. So our total planned income, 17,580 minus our 19,510. So our opening balance then, so in the question, if we had an original one, we would have put in our opening balance here and our opening balance here. So our opening balance is going to be the same. So it's going to be 700 for the first month and 700 for the last month. And then you get your closing cash. Your closing cash is where you add your net cash and your opening cash together. So first one is 2,200 or 260 plus 700. So closing cash for 1 month is the opening cash for the next, which is 960. So then it's going to be equal minus 980 because that's our opening cash plus 960. So you get minus 20. So it's going to be minus 20. And then you're going to equal minus 1,210 plus your minus 20, which gives you minus 200 and minus 1,230. And then if your total minus 1,330 plus 700, it's going to give us minus 1,230. So they've balanced. So we know that we've done the revised budget correctly. Now, if you look at the revised budget, they're in a worse position than they were from the original one. So the original one that had 3,960 of cash left over. Now they've minus 1,230, so they're not in a better position. A couple of things are different. If they need to change it, or how would they improve on the deficit? Cut back on their discretionary income. For example, they have an extra holiday in here of 2,600. They have a family celebration of 900. So that could change. Their household costs have increased as their car running costs have increased as well. So they might need to look around it there. Their mortgage has come down, which is good. Childcare costs have come down, which is good as well, but not good enough. They made good savings there in the fixed, but they've brought it up here in the discretionary. And they could try to find extra income as well. So that's how you answer the revised budget question.